Now, GeoClerk has a handy browser extension which allows you to kick off a spatial search from any of the Geological Survey mapping websites for any of the states across Australia or any of the provinces in Canada where we have databases. Now, to do that, you first need to install the browser extension. That's the subject of a separate video, but once you've done that, you'll see the little GeoClerk icon in the taskbar next to the taskbar in the top right hand corner, and this works for any Chrome or Edge browser. So firstly, you need to be in the mapping tool for the relevant geological survey. So I'll show you how to do this for Quebec for the SIGEOM database. So firstly, I need to open up their website. So click on the browser extension and just go down to the relevant tool. So in this case, SIGEOM. Now, most of these websites take a little bit of time to set up the information that you need and zoom into the area. So I've prepared one earlier, which I'll just jump over to, that has the mineral leases annotated, color-coded by minerals, and some of the actual operating mines shown as well. And then it's basically just a case of zooming into the area that you're interested in and fixing that in the window, the map window of the browser, and then kicking off the GeoClerk search from there. So let's do that. I'm just going to zoom into this area, which is the Devlin area. And then I'm going to click on the browser extension button, and that's going to set the map limits for the search to the map limits that I have shown in this window here. So you can add in a keyword search if you want to, or you can just click Search GeoClerk, which I'm going to do. You can also add in a keyword search now, once that I've got the results back from that search, if you want to whittle them down a little bit. So again, you can see the extent of the search area here. And one thing you can do is save that area to your shapes files. So if you want to do that, just click on Save to Shape, give it a name. So I'll just call this Quebec area and save that. And this will take you to your list of My Shapes in your Shape Manager. And then if you scroll down to that area to Quebec, there we go, Quebec area, then what I could do now is kick off a spatial search using that polygon. Now, the advantage of doing it from here rather than direct from the website is that the results will be ordered by spatial relevance. So hopefully you're getting the most relevant documents and images provided to you first, which isn't the case when you do a search from directly from the website. So GeoClerk has calculated that spatial relevance, and now when I perform the search, I get the most important images sent to me first. So if I click on the spatial button, I'll see that that particular image comes from an area which is wholly within the area that I had searched. So searching direct from a mapping tool is very straightforward. If you're used to using the mapping tools provided by the geological surveys, it's a great way to kick off a spatial search. But then if you want to order the results by spatial relevance, save the shape having done the search, and then re-perform the search within GeoClerk.